1996 Ford F-150 cable operated door latch. The door handle movement wasn't enough to operate the latch. And further investigating, this pivot point and this bracket is severely worn out, and it took too much movement and the cable really wasn't able to release the latch. So I added a bolt to basically pull the cable forward a little bit, essentially shortening the cable, and that allowed the handle to release the mechanism over here. These parts are getting hard to find. Can't find them in AutoZone, Advanced Auto, Napa. So essentially, if you can shorten the cable a little bit by moving this forward, you put a bolt in here, and it's a nice tight fit. Screw it in from the top. Gravity should hold it in. Should hold it in place until you can find a better solution for this fix.